kapatid, mabuhay! I'm Dominic aka Philly Swiss and welcome back to my channel. This episode is all about the ultimate Lego Christmas haul, and let me tell you, it took me 36 hours, 24 Christmas movies, and endless cups of hot chocolate to finish these. But the results, pure holiday magic. If you're as obsessed with Lego as I am, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Stick around because we're diving into some of the most detailed interactive Lego sets I have ever built. Yes, Home Alone fans, I'm talking to you. First up is Santa's Post Office. Now this set is like stepping into Santa's world. The letters, the presents, the sorting machine, it's like Lego built an entire North Pole Operations Center in miniature form. Then we have the Poinsettia Christmas Wreath and Christmas Arrangement sets, which are perfect for adulting and decorating with a Lego twist. Zero watering or maintenance required. I've made Christmas wreaths by hand and I must say I prefer this method. It's cleaner and it's perfect for sprucing up any space. Then we have the Christmas tree. You know that debate of real tree versus plastic tree? It's no longer an issue for me. I'll stick to this and avoid inviting spiders from a real tree or from the attic when bringing down the plastic tree. And of course, the Home Alone house. Where do I even begin? The details, the interactivity, this is Lego at its absolute best. From Kevin's battle plan to the treehouse escape and the basement furnace, it's like reliving the movie scene by scene. It has even more sections than Santa's Post Office, and that already took me long to build. You know when Lego takes your childhood memories and turns them into bricks? Yes, that's exactly what these sets are. They said, we're bringing your childhood holiday dreams to life. And they delivered. So that's 36 hours, 24 movies, and here we are. My hands are practically molded to Lego pieces now. These interactive sets kept me going. Santa's Post Office with its working parts and the Home Alone house with its booby traps were just such highlights for me. So if you're looking for Lego sets that bring holiday cheer and a little playful interactivity, these are it. But the Black Friday deals made it sweeter for me. What do you think? Which of these builds is your favorite? And if you've built the Home Alone house or Santa's Post Office, let me know in the comments below what detail blew you away the most. That's it for this video. Thanks for joining me. Give it a like if you found it useful and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. Until next time, may your holidays be merry, your builds be interactive, and your Lego dreams come true. Happy holidays, everyone!